Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful lockpick from this old kitchen knife, cutlery knife, however you wanna call it. After checking all over the internet, all I can find is wiper blades and saw blades. So people used to do lockpicks with saw blades, old used saw blades and wiper blades. But if you did that already, you know those are not great. The same like the one you buy on Amazon or on eBay, on Vanguard or whatever. You know, those are okay for practice, but not great. So I'm gonna show you today my way of doing a lockpick. Let's get to work. First of all, you need to take the measurement on how long you want the pick to be. You can use a regular pick from your set if you have one already. If not, you can take the measurements. So that's about 50 millimeter long. Or you can do that too and mark your 50 millimeters. So first of all, we need to break this from here, or cut it. But being stainless, if we just make a small mark with a drummer or with a saw blade or with a file, then you can break it very easily. So let's show you how I do this. Now I'll stick this in the vise exactly at the 50 millimeter mark. Put in the other side here. And hit it. We're on the bench grinder, so we start to grind off everything that we marked with the marker. Okay, let's do some grinding. And I mean, oh, by the way, don't forget to get some water next to you and quench the knife, the knife. Like every pass you go, like you can never over quench the steel. Okay, make sure you don't overheat it and break it, then it'll be useless. Okay, let's grind it. Now we roughly have the shape of the pick, but still this is too, the pick is too thick. Okay, so we have to put that on focus. Yeah, we have to grind now and work on the thickness. Okay, and also after that, make the shape of the pick you wish to make. So now everything what's with blue has to go. Okay, let's do it. So we are almost there. Now we're done with the bench grinder. Need a bit of sandpaper and then polish. Let's do it. Okay, now let's polish it and take off all these scratches and make it beautiful. Now we are almost done with this. All we need now, a good polish. We're gonna do the polish with a Dremel tool. Okay, and there you have it. So as I told you already, I've made few. This one is not that shiny yet. I've made few of those picks, but this one I've made for a virtual friend of mine, Matthew. Matthew, I hope you will enjoy it. Okay, like if you like the video, subscribe, and I will see you soon with a new project. Bye for now and stay safe.